Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. To join my WhatsApp group, I'm charging 1,000 rupees per month. You'll get advanced prediction details as well as calls in the group. This video is only for educational learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the Monday prediction. The data is showing very much on the bearish on all three indications, but one indication showing evenly poised. Once again, the last 10 days we are seeing this kind of warning in our data, which means evenly poised company is not going to be an ideal trade for small and safe traders only. It is for the risk traders. So 33.33% chances, once again it is showing, which means you need to play much more cautiously, because whenever we get evenly poised, it is not going to be easy. It has all three parameters with the evenly percentage chances. So it still has potential to go bullish and close in the bullish. It still fall from, if even if it is open some 100 points or 150 points in the plus pre-opening, then still it has potential to fall down from there, plus to minus 500 points, like that it has potential. So which means it is not going to be easy how the market will behave. It is still having all the chances. It still has potential to stay in the flat some 10 plus points or minus 10 points, like that it still has potential to close as well. So whenever we get this kind of trading day, we are asking specifically for small and safe traders to stay away from the market, except hero zero. You can bet hero zero, but this specific day will come. This kind of a evenly poised day is also comes once in a lifetime. Why? Because the data is very much on the bearish. So what we are asking our small traders is 5 points to 10 points minimum put option you must have to keep, like a hero zero, 5 to 10 points. Why? Because even if it is fails, that is not, it should not hurt you, like kind of a put option we are asking to buy. Why? Because this kind of a negative target we are in hand, and the data is also very much big on the downside, absolute frequency on the downside, and average is on the downside, so everything shows. So we ask to keep one lot hero zero minimum, bare minimum. If it is fails also, it should not hurt us, like that. Yeah, we asking to hold. On the other hand, the data is very much showing that volatile, anything above 1, which is in the bullish zone, anything above 9.06, anything above 18,126 is in the bullish zone, and the wide range we are having volatile zone. But anything volatile 2, which is 210, then only the bearish will take control as per this particular data. This is the basic rule. But what happens is, this kind of days, if high is matching somewhere, for example, if the market is opens in the positive, or somewhere if the high is keeping matching perfectly, if anything in between those levels, so it might keep 18,222, 18,232, or 18,242 range, plus 10 points. You need to calculate it. So if matching, for example, I'm taking it 18,242 plus 10 points. So this particular level I am calculating, for example, so that it gives you a result of 18,252. This high stop loss 10 points, the stop loss we added, if the market is not breaking this particular high, means it has high potential to fall down from there to the volatile 2 level, 210, because the range is volatile 2 for the bullish stop losses here. So up to this level is the normal chances is there, the market fall down from where. If it is not breaking, it will recover once again. If it is breaking, it will go further downside towards to 17,714. These are all the basic rules. So yeah, right now SGX Nifty is showing some 80 to 90 points gap up is possible on Monday. If it is happening like that, means I'm just given an example, but still, yeah, you need to play cautiously on this particular day, because evenly poised, it still has potential 33.33 percent chances. If it is starts to grow, for example, the low is matching somewhere here or here, and then it is not breaking on the lower side, it is moving positive, means it still has potential 33.33% chances to go bullish. So if high risk traders or hedging method is always advisable in these kind of days, because we are investing higher amount of money, means they can invest in the hedging method. For example, if market is opens 18,200 level, what kind of a hedging method we can go on this particular day? 18,250 put option and 18,200 or 18,150 call option. So this kind of hedging method you can go. Why? Because it will protect you from the losses. So market is still has potential to fall both side. I mean, if it is falling heavily on the downside, means this will give you a profit, and this will go loss. Or for example, if you are buying somewhere around 150 each, both side, the 150 put option will give you 300, and 150 call option will go 70 or 30, means 300 will give you a comfortable zone to trade, because this 150 will give you a loss of somewhere 80 points. Still you are having some 70 points, or even if it is goes 100 points also, you're still having 50 points, so which means it is giving you 50 points profit. So like that you need to trade with the hedging method if you're going higher amount. Otherwise you can go with the hero zero method. So one lot put option must hero zero, you must have to give, because any kind of negative news comes in this kind of market, it will plunge, it will go heavier, it will go even freeze on the 1,000 points negative. So it is still having potential 1,600 on the average side. So these kind of days will come once in a lifetime, so you must have to keep put option one small hero zero always in hand. Even if this fails, you need not to worry. On the par value, which shows anything above this level, it is still having potential to go 449. But as per the evenly poised day, we are trading high to low, so plus 449 to minus 150, sorry, 1521 is there chances. So you can't able to take chances in a big way. You must have to go with the hedging method or hero zero. Hero zero is very much good advice for the small traders. Specifically, I am asking the small traders to stay away from the market except hero zero, because even if you are buying 50 points, 100 points, all you need to trade, even whatever the strike price is, even call option or put option, any lever you are taking. If you are bullish, you will take call option. If you are bearish, you will take put option. Whatever you are taking, this kind of day, it has to be treated as hero zero. That is the reason, in spite of I mean the option price value, whatever the premium you are paying, you need to know that these kind of days it has to be treated as zero zero. For example, if you are buying put option 100 and the market start to fall 400 points, you will enjoy the profit, and the 100 will go to 250, 300, 350 like that. But you to taken a risk of 5,000 rupees as a hero zero, and it paid off. Like that only we have to trade in this kind of a day, because if it is fails, it will, that 100 will go to somewhere around 10 or 5 like that. So that kind of a day it is, but it is worth taking hero zero in hand. If it is false, you will enjoy. If it is not, you need to plan accordingly with the hero zero. It should not hurt you. That is the kind of day. And one more data which I want to point it out is this particular, anything below 17,628. So anything below this level, only Nifty is having strong bearish control until the Nifty will try to recover. That is what it is showing. So we have potential to go big, but we need to wait and watch on Monday how it is going to trade. Because due to that evenly poised, it is giving a warning signal. We need to play much more cautiously. Bearish traders take 0 0, bullish traders take 0 0. Don't